If you're diving into 65.8.16 assembly development and want a modern, comfortable, and fully integrated workflow, this video will walk you through everything you need to set up Visual Studio Code for the job. We'll use powerful tools like ca65, CMake, a smart assembly language extension, and a custom debugger. Let's get started. First, we need an assembler. We'll be using ca65 from the modern ca65 toolchain. The ca65 toolchain is a mature, actively maintained suite targeting 6502 family CPUs, including the 65.8.16. Use whatever means of installing ca65 available with your operating system or download source, then build and install yourself. Next, we need a build system. We are using industry standard CMake because it's highly extensible, widely supported, and integrates cleanly with VSCode. To integrate CMake into your development workflow inside VSCode, install the CMake Tools extension. Open the Extensions panel, search for CMake Tools, and install it. Once installed, CMake Tools adds a build status bar to VSCode, where you can configure your project, choose build presets, and trigger builds with one click. CMake can be configured to use ca65 and ld65 via custom toolchain file. Here's a sample CMake toolchain file that integrates the ca65 toolchain. Now let's bring Smart Code Assistance to our assembly editing experience. The RPW65 extension for VS Code adds language server functionality to your assembly code. You get syntax highlighting, symbol navigation, and even basic Intellisense support. Finally, let's add debugging. I've written my own debugger that reads debug info from the ca65 toolchain and connects to any emulator supporting the Debug Adapter Protocol. We start by installing the ca65 DBG extension in VS Code. Here's a sample launch.json snippet to get you started. This configuration tells VS Code how to launch your emulator, connect to the debugger, and map source files to runtime addresses. Now you can set breakpoints directly in source code editor and launch with debug with one keystroke. We now have a modern, one-click assembly development environment, build automation, smart editing, and full debugging support. Thanks for watching. The code examples are linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone else hacking on retro CPUs.